Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Nice, nice. Hold still.
Smile.
Oh yeah.
Smile.
Love it.
Well, good morning. So this morning we're down at Kurnell National Park, just on the south side of Sydney. It's quite a famous sort of place for having this amazing landscape with these cliffs, incredible sort of rock formations, and this is on the flight path into Sydney Airport. So you might see the odd plane flying very low overhead. But right now the sun's coming up just over this cliff edge here. So what I've done is I've set the camera up to take these rocks have these amazing sort of formations, which hopefully you'll see in the shot in a second. But I've taken put the camera in a position where it's taking the leading line of the rock, which is sort of taking you out towards where the rising sun's going to be. Now we don't have a great sky today. It's in fact it's very, very clear, which is going to be a beautiful day, but not for landscape photography. So there's not going to be too much interest in the sky. But right now I'm on a 4-minute exposure because the sun's not yet up. There's not a lot of light around at the moment. But 4 minutes. I've set the camera at f9 just to try and get as much in focus as I can. I've done a manual focus on the rocks right in front of me. So anyway, let's go and check it out and see how this shot comes out for the first shot. So just to give you a bit of a look at the shot we're trying to get here, we've got some really nice sort of rock ledge with some really nice lines from the rock formation itself. We've got the cliff edge right in front of us. A little bit of red sky. Unfortunately, this car is not working for us today because there's no clouds up there at all. So we've got a little bit of colour on the horizon. Right now, I'm shooting at about 6 seconds with the camera just very low on the tripod. So let's just take that shot. Nice leading line out past the cliffs towards where the sun's coming up. We've just had a couple of whales surface right beside us. We've just had a couple of whales surface right beside us. Okay, let's go and take a look at this shot. So right now we are just heading down to have a look at a little cave that used to be used many years ago, I think, by people sort of living down this way. Nice little ledge right by the seaside. It's actually quite foggy right now. For some reason, there's been a bit of mist that's sort of come in. So what was actually a very blue sky day, just a little bit earlier this morning, has now become a very foggy day. Anyway, let's go and check this out. Okay, so Where we are right now is just down by the cliffside. It's a beautiful spot, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to show you this little overhang that's been I'm going to take you inside here. We've got a couple of cameras set up to take some shots. Beautiful little spot, nice view. So I'm just going to crawl in a little bit more so you can see what's going on. There you go. Nice, it's even got a skylight. Very nice. So what I've done is just gone as far back into the little cave as I possibly can and tried to get a shot. So let's see if we can put that up on screen now and see if it actually came out. Well, that's it once again from Kurnell National Park. Sun's just coming up over the horizon now, so it's all over for today. Sky didn't really work for us today. Got a nice view of Kurnell down here. Spectacular place. The rock formations in here are just amazing. Made some whales visit us today. Just offshore here, very, very close to the cliff edge. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, all that stuff. We're off for coffee. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.